Hey everyone, welcome to our new season. I'm Emma Gordon, and today we're kicking off Series 3 AI and the Local Business From Headlines to Your Front Door. If you've been scrolling through news lately, you probably noticed headlines screaming about AI, chatbots, image generators, videos, and of course the classic AI is taking jobs. It's everywhere, and it can feel a little overwhelming, right? But today, we're breaking it down and looking at what actually matters, especially if you run a local business like plumbing, cleaning, HVAC, or any service that shows up at someone's door. This podcast is powered by Simplabots, helping small businesses save time, respond faster, and stay organized using simple, everyday AI tools. And Arthur, good to see you on this virtual call.
Thanks, Emma. And hi, everyone out there. Today's episode is called AI in the Headlines. What should local owners actually care about? The reality is, not all the buzz is relevant to your daily work. You don't need to chase every flashy tool. What you do need to understand is how AI can actually help you save time, keep customers happy, and maybe even get a few more leads without adding more hours to your week. Let's unpack that. Think about all the AI stuff in the news: chatbots answering questions, tools generating images or videos, even some headlines talking about replacing workers. If you run a plumbing business, a cleaning crew, or HVAC service, the takeaway isn't panic, AI is taking jobs. It's, could a chatbot answer scheduling questions when you're on the road? Could an AI tool create a quick social post to show off a recent job? Could you use AI to automatically follow up with a customer after a service call? None of this replaces you. It just helps handle the repetitive stuff so your day runs smoother.
And Arthur, that's a huge point. These tools aren't magic, they're helpers. And for our listeners, imagine you're checking your phone while finishing a service call. AI could be handling messages in the background. So here's a quick thought for you all. If you could automate just one thing in your business today, what would it be? Scheduling, follow ups, posting updates? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear what your one thing would be. Your idea might inspire someone else to start small.
Exactly. And let's keep it simple. Chatbots for common questions like, are you open today? Or how much does a service cost? Automated follow-ups for reminders or feedback requests. Quick content creation like showing before and after photos of a job. Even implementing just one of these can free up hours in a week. Time you can spend on hands-on work, managing your crew, or even just breathing.
Right. It's about small wins that add up. And it's not complicated tech. You're not building a robot army, you're just making your day work a little better. And Arthur, before we jump to takeaways, what's the key thing we want listeners to keep in mind from today's buzz versus practical split?
Here's the takeaway. Headlines are exciting, but they're not instructions. Focus on tools that reduce friction, answering messages, scheduling, following up. Start small, see results, then expand. AI works best when it's your helper, not your replacement.
Thanks, Arthur. And that wraps up today's episode of Series 3. If you want to see how other local business owners are actually using AI in real life, we've linked the Simplabots community on School in the description. It's a great place to ask questions, share wins, and get ideas. And hey, if this episode gave you even one idea for your business, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future episodes. I'm Emma Gordon, that's Arthur Finch, and we'll see you in the next episode.